Sounds of Mumbai by 1A.
In India, hosepipes go swish swash. Mark. Roger, Roger, calling all security guards. Daniel. The security gates things go clickety clickety. Jaden. The motorbikes in India make boom boom by Henry Bristol. There are buses in India. Vroom vroom. Shiv. There are dogs all over India. Arf arf. Sana. My thing says brum brum. Magna. When people in India stomp, it gets really loud. There are 26 million people in Mumbai. Deborah. People clean the streets, switch, Maya. People build big houses in India. Matilda. The bulldozer goes scoop scoop. Cholini. The truck goes mix and crush. That's it. There are rickshaws in India. Beep beep. Vanya. I took a picture of a big machine. It helps us make new roads. Nicholas. It is windy in India. Whoosh whoosh whoosh. Sangbin. In India, we have guns. With guns. Bang, bang, meow, meow.